Yo, what's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Samuel De Niro. You tuned into my channel. We are here today to talk about one of my purchases I did from one of my shoes that I bought for last year to 2020, and it was the Sean Witherspoon and Adidas collab, the SUPEREARTH, where this shoe is made all vegan. This is my first pair of vegan sneakers, and basically we're gonna check it out. So let's get to it. Boom. See, starting off, we got the drawings that he drew with Wotherspoon. If you don't know who Sean Witherspoon is, he is from, I want to say, Virginia, and he has a couple of stores in LA and New York, and the store is called Round 2. If y'all heard of Round 2, it's a vintage consignment shop. And yeah, the first collab he did, and I'm sorry, this is my first time making a video, but the first time he collaborated with, first collaboration was with Nike, and that was like, I want to say a couple of years, maybe 4 years, and I might be wrong, I apologize. And it was the corduroy flip of the Air Max 1 and I want to say 96. Don't get me at the comments, but that was the shoe I couldn't get because it's damn expensive, and I'm you know, an artist, can't really spend much on, you know, shoes like that. So I'd be like bargain shopping, trying to find like the exclusive rare kicks. And this one I definitely found online. You know, shout out to the person that sold me this. But like I said, we're gonna get to the box, and you see this is recyclable as well. Boom. See? Yeah. So let's get to it. So you first start off, you got the cardboard, little drawing right here that tells you what's all made, what it's made from, what material. You know, it's cool. I like this. So yeah, boom, here we are right here. So starting off, this is really, to me, one of my favorite shoes I've bought and purchased this year, last year, from 2020. And just from looking at it, everything, what I've read, it said, you know, everything from the upper into the outsoles, that everything is made vegan. Boom. So you got, oh, sorry. You got the earth right here in the insole. It's on the right foot, the insole. And then we just gonna, you know, just talk about more about this. So you got all the flowers on the side of the shoe. That's all drawn by Sean Witherspoon. And got the embroidery hanging off, which this is my favorite. Like, definitely, let me get that into focus. But yeah, this definitely is my favorite shoe. And excuse me, one thing people might know, you might hear me use the word definitely, and I apologize. You know, I'm just learning from that. And then from the back of this tab right here, I've learned in an interview he had with on YouTube. He was explaining this little thing right here. People might see the little ends right here. Usually when they make these shoes, the Superstar, they cut this out just so it can, you know, get the little logo here, but I guess he wanted to keep this little part here, and I like it too. It's cool detail. And then you have the sock lining. Everything is 100% recycled polyester, you know, material. Then you got the rubber, vintage rubber sole. I like this. And got little speckles, you know. And then you got the same color as well on this shoe as well. And then you got the Super. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite shoe. Like I said, it's definitely one of my favorites. Top, I guess if I have a top 10, I could definitely tell y'all the top 10. And yeah, and they got like extra 2 laces that comes in. You know, you got yellow, pink. Might change, it might not, I don't know. It's definitely, like I said, this is Sean Witherspoon SUPEREARTH from Adidas. we're gonna shoot to the B-reel. Right now what we have on foot is the SUPEREARTH Superstars from Wotherspoon and Adidas. Like I said, it's all vegan, all like recycled material from the upper to the outer sole. So we have the, the threading from the sides, fringes. Some people will ask, like, does it go under your shoe? I would say no. If wickers is up when you're walking, so it's definitely something that's, shows a little flair to your outfit. So, and people would say, does it fit? How does it fit? It fit true to size. I had a 10.5, so I would say you would have to size down. If you're a 10.5 like me, I would size down if you want to have it like a fit look, or if you want to have it not snug, 10.5 is cool. So go up a size if you want, or down a size. So yeah. Yo, I'm back. I had to put on the puffer jacket right now. It's cold in the city of Houston right now. It's 38 degrees. And all the other cities been having snow while we've been having like ice, rain. It's not bad. It was a little sunny today, so definitely got to show y'all the shoes and show y'all how it fit, and hopefully y'all enjoyed that, and yeah, enjoy my first video, my first unboxing for some sneakers. And there's gonna be more with that to come, with a thrift haul, or trip to the thrift, and some of my videos from my radio show from Dinero Boys Radio. And also just want to thank y'all, man, for tuning in, man, just checking it out and staying with your boy, because I know this is awkward for me. This is the first time I'm doing this, talking on a camera and all these other things. I've always been the person to take photos of myself, or none of that stuff. Like, I usually have photographers, or I'm just the one behind the scenes. Now I'm like in front of the camera. It's different, but I enjoyed y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I would just like for y'all to share, throw a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and maybe explain why y'all give a thumbs down, and just share the content, and hopefully keep having more and all of that. So peace and love, stay black, stay beautiful, peace.